Hello and welcome to today's video. If you're a fan of outdoor relaxation, then you're going to love what I have to show you today. I'm here to talk to you about the Recliner Accessories Gravity Chair Accessories Recliners Sling Chairs Outdoor Gravity Deck Cloth Anti. This replacement fabric and cord kit is the perfect solution for anyone looking to revamp their outdoor lounge chair or recliner. Let's talk about the features of this amazing kit. First of all, it comes in a classic black color and is made of high-quality, durable cloth. The size is perfect for most standard recliners and lounge chairs, measuring in at about 62 inches long and 16 inches wide. The material is incredibly sturdy and has great elasticity, ensuring that it will hold up over time and maintain its comfort. One of the best features of this kit is its wide usage. It's specifically designed for use with bungee chairs, recliners, lounge patio chairs, and deck chairs. Instead of spending a fortune on a brand new chair, you can simply repair your current one with this replacement kit. Not only will this save you a lot of money, but it's also an eco-friendly choice by preventing unnecessary waste. With the kit, you'll receive one piece of cloth and 4 ropes, making it a complete and easy solution for your chair repair needs. The installation process is quick and simple, allowing you to get back to enjoying your outdoor oasis in no time. So, if you're ready to upgrade your outdoor relaxation game and save some money in the process, then I highly recommend checking out the Recliner Accessories Gravity Chair Accessories Recliners Sling Chairs Outdoor Gravity Deck Cloth Anti. You can find the link to purchase this amazing kit in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your outdoor lounging experience. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more great reviews and recommendations.